Malupit na championship game ito. Tapatan ng Gen Z point guards ng Pinas.
Out, Abad for 3. Bang! Ilet, Gentalian for 3. Bang!
Sa pangunguna ng point guard star ng NU Bulldogs na si Steve Nash Enriquez, nag-ala rondo. Makakabantayan ang rising point guard star ng Letran Knights na si Titing Manalili, nag-take over mode sa fourth quarter.
Wow! At may kasama pang foul!
Huwag kalimutan mag-follow sa Facebook page ng Kadayo. Suportahan natin ang mga malulupit na laban sa live nila. Napaka-intense, nagkapisikalan ng laban at may magsusuntukan pa.
Ako! Ouch! Nahulog! Sakit nun! One-hander! Step back and kiss myself! Big time plays make big time plays!
Go! It's championship game between WRG and the Resource Realized. Bragay, 5 points, raise it up! Husky the third. Olago versus Sanchez. Back to Sanchez, fires. Manalili drives to the lane. Dito yan. Olago fires. Long takes in for number 11. All three launchers. Manalili. Diabena. Sakayan. It's a pass Orsal. Second play on swing. Bulldogs. Enriquez. Braga is goes to the line. Safety third layup. Sakayan goes to the lane. Gonna get it on one. Pass to Bragais. Here comes Bragais. Manalili. Kinantag in the baseline. Gusto kumahuli. Manalili. Italian turns. Fires. Manalili again. Basket is good. Back-to-back basket. Orsal. Sancho to the rescue. Here comes Sancho. Sancho. Nice pass. Back to the goal. Braga is out of the play. Enriquez goes to the lane. Back to the goal. Want to see the guys in the game. Taglio. Piazza. Back to the third for Spina. Italian. Finds for the long man. Tagliamo. Taglio to the ball. Talibaba big pass. Guilherme for the finish. Abad bigay kay Guilherme. Guilherme bigay kay Tangkay. Tangkay sa super tres. Within the shot like it. Sanchez. Kaboom! The game. Sanchez who's in the city. Sanchez is hard. Kaboom! Back to Taglio. Taglio pass on by Ahmad Fires. Kaboom! Pass to Guilherme Fires. Enriquez leaves it up. Back to the field. Proceed comes Sanchez. Enriquez. Malapeto. Enriquez back to the field. Enriquez ngayon ang atake. Enriquez. Sigaw pass. Sanchez ngayon. Back to the field. Manalili. Carlo. Passes back. Bragay to Sancho. Back to the field. Enriquez. Olago. Bodianza back to the field. Receive that ball. Back to the field. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Playing the shot back in Unitas. Yes, it's a move. Highlight from Paul Steve Rodriguez. Now you see me now, you know the man that really has time. Now the ball from the Manalili. Santo to the goal. Follow is open. Kaboom! Excellent play. Manalili. Down the 5. Yes, it's a goal. He was
Ayun eh. Manalili. The porter for 3. Bang! Screen by Olago. Pick and roll. Olago! Ouch! Nahulog. Sakit nun. So, shoutout from Villama. Offensive rebound. Block shot. Here comes Italian. Ang ganda ng drop pass. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Yambing, 2 points. Sangkayan attacking the defense na drop to Lago. And pinasayaw si Lusdok. Ayop! Sayang! Putback wala! Olago! 2 points! Ang ganda sa ang owner ng GS Laundry Services and 4B Game Farm. Talio, 2 points. Not 100. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, medyo nagkainitan na mga idol. Nagkainitan. LG. Kick out, Abad for 3. Bang! Enriquez. Double team. Sa gilid. Gentalian for 3. Bang! Bumawi naman. Intercepted by Manalili. Manalili. Pull up. Not good. Calo for 3. Yes, sir! National Basketball Tournament dyan sa Isabel Leyte. Save the date mga idol. Save the date. January 2 to 5 dyan sa Isabel Leyte. Manalili. Wow! And may kasama pang foul! Ibang klase mga idol. Jury si Ikal. Wow! Manalili. Nakawala na naman. Grabe si Manalili mga kick out. Steve Nash back to Italian for 3. Yes sir! Italian nakawala. Back shot wala. Ayan na mga idol. Calo to Bragaes. Manalili. Nakawala na naman. Nangangamoy Yambing. Dadang kaya. Mga idol, congratulations team Gabisan.